Yeah, hey. Today I will be unboxing a Trash Pack Series 2 12 pack. And you're not guaranteed an ultra rare, but you are guaranteed 2 special edition moldy trashies. Okay, so let's get this open. I already pre-opened it right here. Wait, hold on a second. Okay. There, now let's open the thing. Okay, so we got our stuff. This thing. This doodle. Moldy trashy. Yeah, this is moldy trashy. Okay, so our first moldy trashy is under bin 6. He is number 262, Junk Jumper. So yeah, that's Junk Jumper. And our next moldy trash pack is, I hope it's a Grotty Fruity. Yeah! Aw. Okay, so he's under Bin Monsters. He is a red trash bag goblin and special edition. Fudge. Fudge that, man. Fudge that. Now, next trash pack. Garbage beer. Purple. Let me look for him. Common. Number 290. Freaking common. Okay, so here is our 2 visible trashies were Carry Ill. Pretty sure that's his name. And he is number 196 and rare. And our other visible trash pack was a Scummy Mummy. Wait, hold on. Chris, get out of here. No.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Don't
Scummy Mummy. Let's make this quick. Okay, so he should be under Bin Monsters. Yeah, he's number 329. 319. So 329. And he is a common. Ah. Ow! Get out of here, Chris! No, not Scummy Mummy! No! No! Okay, now we're back.
Don't talk to me like that, okay? Good thing I didn't see you.
Squish fish. Zapper. I think composter. Correct me in the comments. Bumbug. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I got a Galacto Garbo, ultra rare. We're all Astro Trash. Oh, I got a Lugger. And last one is, I forgot what his name was. Just tell me. So, yeah, that was pretty much it. So, bye, and please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and bye.